Hey there, it's Aaron with Kodiak Vans. 3M window weld. That stuff is some serious epoxy. I've looked on the internet now to try and figure out how to remove it, and I can't find anything that shows that. So I thought I'd make a quick video. The product I'm referring to, let me just show you real quick what I'm talking about here, is this 3M window weld. You see that there? There we go. This stuff is serious business. So in building the vans, we added a couple of windows in the back. Of course, you have to cut out the metal and you add the windows. Well, we were all here at the office one day. I was in the office, my son was on the other end of the warehouse, and Ron was in the office, and we heard this explosion and freaked out, couldn't figure out what it was, thought the boy had broke something, but he didn't. He was guilty, or innocent until proven guilty. Anyway, so this window right here just exploded onto the floor. Nobody touched it. Nothing was wrong with it. It was installed properly. The door's been shut several times. It's never done anything. So we've cleaned up the mess, and as you can see, you still have this huge chunk of glass stuck to this window weld. And like I said, I scoured the internet and it's all the way around, and I have to get that off. I have a new window coming in and I got to apply new window weld. So there is nothing on the internet on how to remove this stuff. However, I do have a tool. We tried heating it up with a heat gun and using like a putty knife, and that wasn't going to happen. We were probably going to cause more damage to the paint. So what else did we use? Oh, razor blade, and that was going to scratch the crap out of the paint. Oddly enough, I have used this tool right here on this location at the lower portion, and I have not damaged the paint at all. So the tool I'm referring to is the Milwaukee. So this thing gets going big time, and it just cuts. You know, you basically just get it underneath the rubber and let it slide along the rubber, and it takes it off real well. I only have to get this down to the bottom of the rubber, or where we applied that black paint. If you watched one of our previous videos on how to install these windows, you'll know what I'm referring to. But that pre-paint conditioner for the epoxy weld, I just have to get it down to that. I don't need to, you know, mess up any part of the van. If I do, of course, I'll patch it up with paint and take care of it so it's not damaged. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick little video on this. I'm gonna stick this thing to the wall and you can watch me remove the rest of this fast forward like. All right, hang on. Painting.
First time in a video, you're wearing proper gear.
Safety first. All right, I'm gonna get to this and then we'll put it in fast forward. So there you have it. It's all off. We'll have to get it cleaned up a little bit, and then get any places where we might have hurt the metal. We'll get that touched up, repainted over, and get the new window on it and show you what it looks like when we're done. Thanks. Hey guys, I'm back. So we're all done. We got all that stuff cleaned up, and I did notice some of the areas we did kind of scrape up the paint and stuff. So we ran down to Mercedes, and they had this nice little bottle of matching paint for the exact paint that's on the van. So we touched up everything underneath. We reapplied the black what is it, pre-epoxy stuff you have to put on there before you put the window weld on. So we got that all on there. So the paint is completely protected now, and it looks like it was original. And our window came in, so we went ahead and installed it. So there's the window, and you can see there's no damage all the way around. So we took care of everything pretty well. It just sucks because the window broke for no reason at all. It just, like I said, it exploded, and we had to shell out another $270 to get it here. But we're all done. So lesson learned. Now that's one way to take off window weld, because I could not find an example to do it. So there's one idea, but you got to have that special tool. Otherwise, I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one.